this tutorial video, which is dedicated to the procedure in order to import the tag database from the PLC controller environment. The point is that the engineer does not have to program twice the same tag database, but the tag database can be imported in Creo HMI. Let's start, for example, with this simple project. So, from the home page, we double click on the project. And let's suppose we are working with a CompalLogix PLC from Rockwell and we want to import the tag database from RSLogix. The first step is define the communication driver to this device. So we go to Setting, Connection, and we can see that, for example, here we already have two communication drivers, Modbus TCP, in order to exchange data with two slaves, slave 01, slave 02. So here we can add a new communication driver to the port 2, which is Ethernet IP CompalLogix from the Rockwell Allen Bradley family. Okay, by double clicking over the driver, we can define as usual the communication parameter. So for example, the IP address of the PLC and the IP port of the PLC itself. Now let's go back to the tag database, which is almost empty now because we have only one tag which is mapped over the slave 01 device. We can select the import icon, then go to the folder where we have the list of the files that have been exported from RSLogix. So here on the right side we can define, for example, ControlLogix utility, and then select all these files. Here we have the Excel file, which give the list of the, let's say, basic data type variable and the different structure we have defined in the PLC application. Open. Device, it means here we have to define which is the communication driver where these tags will be mapped. So for example, Ethernet IP CompalLogix. Option, override if object already exists. It means that in case the same variable is already listed in the tag database, it will be overwritten with a new definition. This is very important because, for example, let's suppose I modify the tag definition in the RSLogix, then I can move ahead with the importing and the new tag definition will override the old one. Then we select next. So all these tags have been imported. 13 tags have been imported without any error. So we press done. So here now in the tag database we have the list of all the data. Okay. Now let's suppose we want to display part of a structure, no? So for example, an element of this structure. The procedure is very simple. We go back to the page, double click on the page, add, for example, a numeric field. Then we go to the property named tag. We select, for example, HMI underscore, which is one of the structure, and here at the bottom of the window I have the edit icon that let me browse the structure itself till the element I want to display. So for example, let's suppose I want to display I don't know, speed line, this parameter. Okay, so I go till the parameter I want to display, I select the parameter, press OK, and I can see that the complete path of the element will be defined into the structure path in order to have the path of the element that will be displayed in this numeric field.